Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay. Are you ready for today's lesson? You are? That is good. Today in civic education, we are going to be looking at patriotism. Okay? Our topic for today in civic education is on patriotism. So are we ready for the lesson? In today's lesson on the patriotism, we are going to be looking at the meaning of patriotism, civic duties, and lastly, cultural expression. So first, let's look at the meaning of patriotism. Patriotism refers to love and devotion to one's country, encompassing a sense of loyalty, pride, and commitment to its well-being. In the civic education, it involves understanding civic duties, cultural expression, and fostering a positive connection to their nation. Okay? Patriotism is a strong sense of love, loyalty, and devotion towards one's own country. It involves a deep connection and commitment to the well-being, values, and interests of the nation. Okay? Patriotism often manifests through actions such as respecting national symbols, participating in civic duties, and promoting the common good. Do you understand that? Patriotism means really loving and being loyal to your own country. It's about caring for and supporting your nation, its values, and working together for the common good. Okay? So now let's look at civic duties. Civic duties are the responsibilities that citizens have towards their community and country. Okay? And these include things like voting. Citizens have the duty to participate in elections by casting their votes. This helps in choosing leaders and shaping the direction of the community or country. Okay? Vote. Choose leaders and decide important things by voting in elections. Obeying laws. It is crucial to follow and respect the laws of the land. This ensures order and safety in society. You follow the laws. Obey rules to keep everyone safe and maintain order in the society. Paying taxes. Contributing a portion of one's income through taxes is a civic duty. These funds support public services like schools, roads, and healthcare. Okay? You pay tax. Contribute money through taxes to support schools, roads, and other public services. Jury duty. In some countries, citizens may be called to serve on a jury. This involves participating in the legal system by helping decide the outcome of a trial. Sometimes you might need to help the legal decisions by serving on a jury. Okay? Jury duty. Community service. volunteering and engaging in activities that benefit the community, such as cleaning up public places or helping neighbors in need, are important civic duties. Okay? Do things like cleaning up public spaces or helping neighbors to make your community better. Helping the community. Respecting others' rights. Citizens have a duty to respect the rights and freedoms of others, promoting a harmonious and inclusive society. Respect others. Treat everyone with kindness and fairness, respecting their rights. Educating oneself. Staying informed about current events and understanding civic issues is a duty. Informed citizens can make better decisions and contribute to a healthy democracy. You stay informed, learn about what's happening in the world so you can make good decisions and be a responsible citizen. Do you understand? These are the civic duties you as a citizen should abide to. Okay? So civic duties are responsibilities that citizens have towards their community and country. Civic duties are the things we should do as good members of our community. Okay, like we mentioned, voting, obeying laws, paying taxes, actively participating in activities, and contributing to the well-being of the society, right? Do you understand? Now let's look at cultural expression. Cultural expression involves sharing and celebrating the unique traditions, beliefs, and artistic aspects that make a community or group distinct. It includes activities like music, art, dance, language, and customs that showcase and preserve the identity of a particular culture or society. Embracing cultural expression promotes diversity, understanding, and a sense of belonging among individuals within a community. Okay? Do you understand? Cultural expression is like showing and enjoying the special things that make your group or community different. It can be through music, art, dance, language, traditions that help keep your identity alive and shared with others. Imagine it as the cool and unique stuff your group does. Like music and dance, different styles of music and dance reflect the rhythm and spirit of a culture. They often convey stories, emotions, and history. Also, art and crafts. Unique artistic creations, whether paintings, sculptures, or handcrafted items, showcase the creativity and skills of a community. Language and literature, the way people speak and the stories they tell contribute to cultural expression. Literature including folktales helps pass down traditions and values. Festivals and celebrations, special events and celebrations bring people together to share custom, rituals, and joyous moments that are specific to a culture. Okay, there's so many. Do you understand? It's a way of saying this is who we are and sharing that with others. It makes your community special and interesting. the clothing and fashion of your culture, of your community. Traditional clothing or unique fashion styles reflect cultural identities and histories. It's a visual expression of heritage, okay? Religious practices, rituals, ceremonies, and religious practices are integral to cultural expression, emphasizing shared beliefs and values. So cultural expression is colorful, made up of various elements that come together to represent the richness and uniqueness of a community. Okay? So today's lesson, we understood everything we looked at, right? Today's lesson on patriotism, we understood everything we looked at. The meaning of patriotism, civic duties, and lastly, cultural expression. Okay, that is good. So next we are going to be looking at our assignment. I'm sure we're going to be able to do our assignment, right? Okay, that is good.